Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen watermelon slice. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. On the left, let's draw an angle up and over to the right side. And then let's angle it down on both ends like this. And close it off with an angle at the bottom. Now let's move over to the top corner and let's draw an angle down on the left. And connect it back in with a curve. Now let's hop inside and let's add a border at the bottom. Let's draw a curve across. And angle it across the bottom on the right side. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw a curve down and up. And then one more on the right and the left. Then let's hop out and let's draw a bump up and back down for the ears. Now let's hop down and in the center, let's draw two curves out for the mouth. And then two circles for the eyes. And color these both in black. And lastly, for the face, let's draw two curves out on each side for the whiskers. Now that we're done the face, let's hop down and let's draw the arms. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve up and back in. And the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to hop to the bottom and let's draw two bumps out for the feet. And lastly, let's add the watermelon seeds. Let's start by drawing a teardrop shape in the center. And two more underneath. And then let's add three on the left side inside the top triangle. And that's it for this Pusheen watermelon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!